Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures, Learn SQL from Real Job. In this section, we are talking about rank. Rank numbers all rows sequentially for tiles. For example, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5. Thus rank will result in consecutive rankings. For example, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. One day, my director asked me, could you give me a ranking of salary? The board won't discuss about that. Sure, I definitely say yes to my boss, but I didn't exactly know what does he really want. I opened the employee salary table. I ranked it by entire company. Then I rank it. So you can see some difference between rank and rank. I thought it made want to calculate them group by department. So I rank them partitional by department ID. Also, I rank them again. I give my director one full sheet results. He looked satisfied. Good job. Provide multiple results for making decisions in your real job. Yeah, let's learn SQL from real job. See you next time.